Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 10 essential tips for using your EarPods like a pro, whether you're using them for music, calls, or workouts. These tips will help you get the most out of your earbuds. Let's get started. First up, we want you to find the right fit, because a proper fit can make all the difference when using EarPods. If they don't fit snugly, sound quality will suffer and they're more likely to fall out. Most EarPods come with different sizes of silicone tips. Experiment to find the one that seals well in your ear canal without causing discomfort. A tight seal improves both bass and noise isolation. Next, preserve battery life, because who doesn't love long-lasting earbuds? To extend the battery life of your EarPods, avoid letting them completely drain before charging. Most lithium-ion batteries last longer if you charge them between 20% and 80%. Also, turning off features like active noise cancellation or lowering the volume can help conserve energy throughout the day. Let's move on to cleaning them, because keeping those earbuds fresh is important. Over time, earwax and dust can clog the speaker grills of your EarPods, reducing sound quality. Use a soft, dry toothbrush or a cotton swab to gently clean the mesh and crevices. Avoid using liquids or sharp objects, which can damage the internal components. Cleaning weekly keeps sound crisp and hygiene on point. Tip 4. Use the companion app, because there's a world of features in there. Many premium EarPods come with a dedicated smartphone app. These apps let you customize controls, switch sound modes, find lost pods, and even update firmware. If you haven't explored the app for your earbuds, check your app store. You might be missing out on features that could significantly improve your experience. We all like to adjust the EQ settings because it's all about that perfect sound. Did you know you can tweak the equalizer settings for better sound? Whether you prefer more bass, clearer vocals, or balanced audio, adjusting the EQ makes your music more enjoyable. Look for EQ settings in your device. Bluetooth or Music App Settings, or use the EarPod Companion app if available. When on long calls, use one earbud, because why not? If you're on long calls throughout the day, consider using just one earbud at a time. This approach not only helps conserve battery life by switching to the other earbud later, but also keeps one ear free to stay aware of your surroundings, especially when working in busy environments. If you choose to use earbuds during your workout sessions, go for water-resistant models, because sweat resistance is essential. If you use your EarPods during workouts, sweat resistance is essential. Look for models with an IPX4 rating or higher. This ensures your EarPods can handle sweat and light rain. Pairing sweat-resistant earbuds with secure ear hooks or wings can also prevent slippage during intense exercises. Let's talk about learning the gestures, because mastering this saves you time. Most modern EarPods support touch or button gestures. Spend time learning how to pause, play music, skip tracks, answer calls, or activate your voice assistant. Mastering these controls can save you time and eliminate the need to constantly reach for your phone. Check the manual or app for gesture tutorials. Protect your hearing. It's tempting to crank up the volume, but prolonged exposure to loud sound can damage your hearing. A good rule is the 60-60th rule. Listen at 60% volume for no more than 60 minutes at a time. Use noise cancellation to hear better without turning the volume up to high. Finally, tip number 10. Store them safely, because protecting your investment is key. Always store your EarPods in their charging case when not in use. This keeps them protected from dirt, dust, and physical damage, and also ensures they're charged and ready when you need them. Avoid tossing them in your bag or pocket without the case. It is a quick way to damage or lose them. So, there you have it, folks. We hope these tips help you make the most out of your EarPods. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below, and remember to hit that subscribe button, so you're always in the loop for our latest tech tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Get you EarPods in the link below in the description.